Vamos a tratar de hacer este ejercicio, ¿ok? Dice que aquí Vicky vio 7 de esos tipos de pájaros, vio 9 de este tipo de pájaros y vio 19 de estos. Ahora, estos son los que vio Vicky, ¿ok? Ahora dice que Johnny vio 9 de estos, 12 de estos y 29 de estos. Ahora dice que tenemos que hacer estimate, o sea, tenemos que estimar una respuesta, ¿ok? Tenemos que estimar cuántos pájaros más Johnny vio que Vicky, ¿ok? Pero aquí dice que primero tenemos que hacer rounding all numbers to the nearest 10 before adding and subtracting. It's giving you all the steps. Te está diciendo exactamente qué hacer. Te está diciendo primero, your first step is to round. Tu primer paso es redondear todos los números to the nearest 10, ¿ok? Al 10 más cercano. Y después vas a hacer add. Este sería tu step number 2. Y luego vas a hacer subtract. Primero vas a sumar y después vas a restar. Ese sería tu step number 3. Okay. Para step number 1, para el paso número 1, tenemos que redondear todos los números, ¿ok? Vamos a poner aquí todos los que Vicky vio, ¿ok? Ella dice que vio 7 de unos, 9 de otros, 19 de otros, ¿ok? Tenemos que redondear esos números al 10 más cercano. ¿Cómo puedo hacer eso? Bueno, me fijo en mis unos, en mis ones, to my ones place. I go to my ones place. Okay, the first one is only a 7. So it's only a ones place, right? I don't have a tens place. Okay, so then I see 7. Remember that my numbers are from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are going to round down. And my numbers are 5 or greater, like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are going to round up. So right here I have a 7. Okay, so that 7 is going to round up because it's greater than 5. So it will become a 10. That's my round number already. Now my next number is a 9. That one's greater than 5, so that means I'm going to round that one up as well, becoming a 10. Now I have 19. Now I have a ones place value and a tens place value, right? My 9 is on the ones place value and my 1 is on my tens. So that means this 19 is between two numbers. It's between the 10 and is between the 20. Now I need to see if I'm going to round down to 10 or up to 20. Okay, I look into my ones place. It's a 9. It's greater than 5, so that means I'm rounding up. Okay, so that means this 19 is going to become a 20. Now I have all my new numbers for Vicky. I already rounded, but that's not it. Now I need to do Johnny's. Okay, now I need to round Johnny's. Now it says that Johnny saw 9, 12, and 29. Now I need to round those numbers. I do the same step I did with Vicky. Okay, on the first one, I don't have a tens place. I look at the ones. My 9 is on the ones. And I know 9 is greater than 5, so I round up to the 10, right? Now 12, I look into my ones. I know 12 is between 10 and 20. I know 2 is less than 5, so I round down. So this one also rounds to 10. Now my 29, I look into my ones, and then I know my 9 is greater than 5. I know my 29 is between 20 and 30. And I know my 9 is greater than 5, so I round up. So my 29 is going to become a 30. Now I have both Vicky and Johnny numbers of birds rounded to the nearest 10. But that's not it. Now I need to do step 2. Okay, step 2, it says adding. So now I need to add. I need to know how many more did Johnny saw than Vicky. Okay, now I need to add 10, 10, and 20. That's what Vicky saw. Okay, I have 0 plus 0 plus 0, that's 0. 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. So I know Vicky saw 40 birds, 40. Okay, now I need to know how many Johnny saw. So I know Johnny saw around 10, 10, 30, So I add those numbers there. Now I have 0 plus 0 plus 0, that's 0. 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is 5. So now I know Johnny saw 50 and Vicky saw 40. Now I need to go to my third step right here, which is subtracting. Okay, now I'm going to subtract. How many more did Johnny? So I put Johnny first. Johnny is 50, Vicky is 40. So I put my 40. I subtract. 0 minus 0, that is 0. 5 minus 4, that is 1. So I know Johnny saw 10 more birds than Vicky. So 10 is going to be my answer.